All right, I want you guys to follow this one really, really closely. And I'll try to slow it down. But this one gets a little more involved because we have a horizontal shift. Vertical shifts are easy because you just add or subtract the thing at the very, end of the equation. Vertical shifts are a little bit more involved because it's the x minus h in parentheses. So let me show you what I mean by that. All right, so let the graph of G be a translation 3 units right and 2 units up, followed by a reflection in the y-axis of this graph. All right, so we have x squared minus 5x. We don't just have x squared anymore. We've got something a little bit more involved. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to move it horizontally. So this is asking us to move it 2 units or 3 units to the right. So h equals 3, it's positive. So I need to do f of x minus 3. All right? That means that for every value of x that I have right here needs to be substituted in x minus 3. So I'm going to take out these x's and I'm going to put in x minus 3. So f of x minus 3 is x minus 3 squared minus 5 times x minus 3. And then we can also, since it's just kind of on the tail end here, it's also going 2 units up. So I add 2 right there. All right, this is going to hopefully take you back a little bit because you've done this before. But now I need to simplify, and I need to then combine like terms. So x minus 3 times x minus 3, and then we have the rest here. Okay, I'm going to FOIL this. I don't know if you remember that, or I'm going to distribute it twice. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then I move to this one, and I have negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and then negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Okay? Then I'm going to distribute this negative 5. So I have negative 5x, and then negative 5 times negative 3 is a positive 15 plus 2. So now I'm going to combine like terms. I've only got one x squared, so there's that. And then I've got negative 3x minus 3x is negative 6x, minus 5x is negative 11x. And then 9 plus 15 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Okay? And then the very last thing they want me to do is to reflect it over the y-axis. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to replace all of these with a negative x. So I've got negative x squared minus 11 times negative x plus 26. Well, negative x times negative x is just positive x squared. Okay, then I have plus 11x plus 26. And that is my final answer right there. So I know that was a little bit more involved. You will probably have some like that in your homework. So go back and rewind and watch that problem again if you need to kind of see what I did there. All right, here is your homework. Again, as usual, it's on big ideas. But if you can't get on big ideas, here it is. All right? And let me know if you have any questions.